Actually, I am a president of Butterfly Conservation Society. So that way, I am interested in exchanging views about butterflies or any other aspects of nature with fellow partners and delegates. I want to know how others are working on these such problems.
Um, since you have a wealth of experience of having worked in this area, um, from your experience and understanding, help us understand how um, the livelihood and habitat of butterfly have been impacted over the last few years.
Unfortunate thing is, there is a lot of habitat destruction. As cities grow, we are losing forests. We are losing even small scrub forests. Also, we are losing. But many a times, even scrub forest also sustain a lot of butterfly population. Even one particular plant can sustain a particular species. If that species of plant is disappearing, that means the butterfly will find it very difficult to stay there. Yeah. And that's why we have to have a holistic view of all this biodiversity, and people also should know how to conserve their butterfly populations. There are so many ways they can do it.
So we'll talk about that as well. But before that, for example, there was a side event on the drastic reduction in the population of vultures, and they explained how it will impact the livelihood of human beings as well. So help us understand how it will affect the entire chain if butterfly population is reduced.
Actually, reduction of vulture population is mainly due to diclofenac, and diclofenac has affected vultures, and now we are not able to see even one butterfly. As I used to see a lot of vultures when I was a child. Now we can't even see. Now people, forest department is offering 1,000 rupees per vulture if just sighting show. If they can show one vulture, that would be enough. And similarly, if the butterflies populations are reducing, that indicates that the pollination aspects will be dwindling. And butterflies being very good pollinators, they are very good bioindicators, and also they are friends of farmers. See, they have got a lot of very good, good effective contribution to the society if we can conserve them. If we destroy them, we are going to lose all that. And some few plants entirely depend upon butterflies. Without butterflies, they cannot even pollinate. So that is one of the aspects interrelated with butterflies and plants and trees.
Um, what what activities and initiatives are being taken to conserve and improve the livelihood and habitat of butterfly, and what other things can also be taken up?
Actually, we are trying to educate people. We are trying to educate our own members of the society and also students. So far, I have covered more than 15,000 school children in slums, corporates, and Kendriya Vidyalayas and all that. And wherever people want to know about these butterflies and their, effective contribution to the society, I have been telling them. And what one thing is that we can have a butterfly farming, butterfly ranching. Right now, the governments are not, encouraging, thinking that the butterflies are endangered. But there are so many common butterflies which can be multiplied with good effects to the society and also to themselves, and the farmers can be benefited. People who multiply them also can be benefited.